well-being and functioning by improving living conditions. The word comes from the Greek word euthymia, which means to thrive. So now there's a beautiful woman over there, and nakikita naman natin na nagtitiktok siya. So let me ask you. Hello, excuse me, may I ask?
Yeah, sure.
So as a student, what did you learn or what did you realize about your topic on genetics?
So, sa bago pa lang estudyante ng STI, I've learned a lot. Also, the course is the ADEP, character, critical thinker, and also the documentation. Yes.
So what did you realize about it or about our topic?
So, about the e-learnings, I've learned yung mga students is super competitive, whether sa mga activities and ano, smart.
So as a student of STI, what did you learn or what did you understand about the topics of genetics?
What I learned about topics of genetics on the course of STI. Kasi doon ma-improve yung topics. Especially, thank you Ma'am Jem sa pag-tour dahil na-improve pa yung topics. So how about you?
The subject in euthenics, I learned a lot. Lalong-lalo na po sa courses, especially sa communication, because I get more communication to others. Thank you, Ma'am, for teaching us.
Excuse me, may I ask? What did you realize or what did you learn about our topic on euthenics?
About sa ELMS na sinabit natin kay ma'am, yung paano kilalanin yung ating sarili, tsaka yung ano ba talaga yung gusto natin sa buhay.
So, yun yung natutunan mo bilang estudyante ng STI. So, sa ngayon, try natin maghanap pa ng ibang student na pwede nating matanungan. Kuya, may I ask? As a student, what did you learn or what did you realize about our topic on euthenics?
As a STI or sa natutunan ko is nakilala ko yung founder ng STI and natutunan ko rin yung 17 SDG.
Oh, so marami kang natutunan about our topic or kung ano nga ba yung euthenics. Marami-rami na tayo natanungan and try pa natin maghanap pa ng ibang students na may subject ng euthenics. So, meron dito. Kuya, may I ask? May subject ka po bang euthenics? As a student, what did you learn or what did you realize about your subject, which is the euthenics?
Sa STIers, isa sa pinaka-natutunan ko is yung mga pangalan ng mga philosopher and kung ano yung mga katangian nila. Yun lang.
Oh, kuya, may I ask? May subject ka po bang euthenics?
Apo.
So, as a student of STI, what did you understand about your topic on euthenics?
Naintindihan ko po sa euthenics is yung about sa sarili mo and sa philosophers, and natutunan ko rin po yung mga founder ng STIs and yung mission and vision ng STI and some of the E2E, yung mag-aaral ka tapos magkakaroon ka ng trabaho, and napag-aralan din po namin yung mga gusto ng kada bansa, like yung 17 SDGs po.
Also, ang dami mo namang learnings about your topic. So, good student ka siguro, no?
Magaling po yung teacher.
So, ngayon para may mga estudyante doon na natutukan, so maghahanap tayo ng pwede natin tanungan. So, samahan niyo ako. Ay, sir, excuse me, may I ask?
Sige po.
May subject po kayo euthenics? So, pwede po kayong tanungin regarding your topic?
Pwede po.
So, as a student po, sir, what did you understand or what did you learn about your topic?
Sa euthenics po, marami po akong natutunan. Isa na po dito ang 17 SDGs.
So napag-aralan niyo na rin po yung sa 17 SDGs. Excuse me, sir, may I ask po? So, may subject po kayong euthenics?
Meron po.
So, ano pong pangalan niyo, sir?
Alam niyo pala, no?
Oh, so Mr. Jacolano, ano po yung mga natutunan niyo or mga learnings niyo about your subject on euthenics po?
So, yun, napag-aralan ko po yung subject ng euthenics. Marami po ako natutunan dahil doon ko po nalaman kung kailan po nagsimula yung STI, yan. Sino po yung mga founder nito? At sabat naman sa mga topics po, natutunan ko po doon yung 16 digits. And, tapos po, Diyan ko din po nalalaman kung paano po siya isolusyonan and sa mga science ko yun.
So, napag-aralan nyo na rin po yung sa 17 SDGs po, tama? So, ayun, maraming natutunan si Sir regarding sa topic nila o good thing okay na kayo rin sa 17 SDGs, tama po?
Yes po.
So, thank you, Sir. So, may subject po kayong Titanic? Yes. So, as a student of SDI, what did you learn or what did you understand regarding sa topic nila sa Titanic?
I learned that Titanic talk about the history of the STI and also tinatapos nila yung mga 17 SDGs and I gained a lot of confidence and skills, especially yung pag-edit ko sa mga videos, and thank you for Ma'am Jen to teach us how to being confident as a student.
So, sa mga na-interview natin, parang the same yung kanilang learnings. Especially, hindi nawala yung mga 17 SDGs. And thank you kasi hindi niya nakalimutan pasalamatan yung inyong guro. So, siguro, napakagaling niya magturo, no? So, sige, thank you. Sir, excuse me. May I ask? So, pwede mo kayong interviewin for a while? So, estudyante po kayo ng STI? So, yun. So, as a student of STI, what did you learn or what did you understand about your topics on Titanics?
So, bilang isang estudyante na nakaranas ng maraming hamon sa mga paaralan. So, yung Titanics naman ay nagbibigay sa akin sarili tungkol sa akin.
Excuse me, may I ask? May subject in Titanics?
Meron po.
Kayo meron? So, as a student of STI, what did you learn about your topic on Titanics?
So my realization upon our subject, Eugenics, first, through this subject, I boost my self-confidence, my communication skills, and also my public speaking skills too. So I also learned how important ethics is to individual, especially as a student. I also learned how to improve myself, my skills, to editing videos and making digital poster. And lastly, I would like to say thank you to our teacher, Ma'am Jen. Thank you so much for teaching.
So, may subject ako yung Titanics, tama? So, as a student of STI, what did you learn or what did you realize about your topics or your subject in Titanics?
Sa subject na Titanics, I've learned the importance of effective communication, critical thinking, and tamang pagmanage ng oras. I also realized that self-knowledge and understanding of others is important in improving characteristics.
Sure. So, as a student of STI, what did you learn about your topic in Titanics?
As a student of an STI, I learned that the Eugenics subject is not is focusing on human well-being, and I learned about the 17 SDGs and the 4 Cs.
Wow. So, sir, what did you learn about your topics on Titanics?
Based on, sa akin, natutunan ko sa background of STI sa Eugenics is yung 17 SDGs and yung alter ego and ego and self I and human.
So, sa sobrang galing ni sir pagdating sa academics, natutunan at kasali na rito yung sa understanding the sense, tama?
Ayan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, excuse me, may I ask?
Ano po yun, ma'am?
So, as a student of STI, what did you learn about your topics in Titanics?
Marami po tayong tututunan sa Eugenics. Magagamit natin sa tunay na buhay.
Thank you. Ma'am, excuse me, may I ask? Pwede ba kitang interviewin for a while? So, student ka ng STI, tama? So, as a student of STI, what did you learn or what did you realize about your topics on Titanics?
I realized the topic of Titanics
sir, excuse me, may I ask?
Opo.
So, student po kayo ng STI, tama?
Opo.
So, as a student of STI, what did you learn or what did you understand about your topics on eugenics?
I understand about eugenics. I learned about eugenics is for peace, which is yung mga ano po, mga namumuno about sa school na to. And yung 17 SDG din po, which is integrates the concept from various fields and para maano nila yung mga nutrition ng mga bata, tumutulong sa mga kapwa, ganyan.
So, how about you, sir?
Kaya po sa kanya, like sa mga courses and sa mga founders po natin ng STI. Madami rin natutunan sa kanila dahil nalaman ko about sa mga founders paano nagsimula yung STI or paano na napalago ang STI po. Yun.